to show you how we can download a new MMS program. But prior to downloading it, I want to show you how we can back up our whole database and after that reinstalling it. So I just want to show you the content of my MMS. So we see that we have two patients. We have the standard John Smith and we have Jane Eyre. In the Programs tab, we see that we have several programs for the term or CHEPS. So to back up our database, in our whole database, that is, we have to go out of the program and back it up. When we open our MMS, we get this welcome screen, and this welcome screen can be different from different versions of the MMS, so don't be startled that it doesn't look exactly like the one you have. We go to Options, we go to Database Utility, we say I want to back it up. It will take you to the folder where it automatically backs up the database. Now, take into account that every time you install a new MMS program, it will automatically back up your database over here. But sometimes if you install several programs, it will only keep the latest one that you backed up. So I would like to encourage you to back it up somewhere else. For instance, on your desktop, this is a favorite place for me. And I'll give it the date of today. And let's just save it. And let's close it. Now let's install the new MMS. I have it here on the folder on my desktop. In a second, I'll press Setup, and then it will start running. So to install the new software, you press Setup. And now we get this notification that we already have Medoc Main Station installed in our computer. And this is something that you take notice of when you are reinstalling software. And now there is another notification to let us know that anything that has something to do with Medoc Main Station software that was on our computer will now be removed. So this would also include the database that we had. So let's say that we agree to this. We're on installing. Click Finish. Okay, we just moved it. And now I'm agreeing to all steps, and this may take a while. So you can walk away and come back in a few minutes. And now we're done. So just let's press Next. We don't need to reboot right now. We can do that later. So you can choose that. And let's finish. It's closing this up. Let's open Medoc Main Station software. And you can see that we have the welcoming screen that's going to no need to be connected to the device. And I just want to show you that we have the standard database. So we have the standard John Smith in patients. You see that in programs we don't have any CHEPS programs, and in results we have 4 results. So let's restore the database right now and see what happens. To restore the database, you have to be in the welcome screen again. We'll click on Options. We'll click on Database Utility, and we'll restore the database. This means that any data that is currently in the database will be overwritten. So keep that in mind, that if you have done some stuff between then and now, you might want to export it and import it again. But if you just install the new program, you shouldn't be worried. Let's restore. It will go to the standard file format, but remember, I saved this on my desktop. So let's go to my desktop and let's choose the file that I saved. This may take a while. We'll wait for a confirmation. Okay, so this is the confirmation. Let's close this up. Go back into the software. Okay, and so we can see that Jane Eyre has joined us again. And also that we have the DCHEPS programs that we had before we backed up the database. And so now you can see that you were successful in backing up and restoring the database before uninstalling and installing a new MMS program. Thank you.